Hi y'all, welcome to another cleaning video. Today we are doing a nighttime clean with me, and I got quite a bit done this night. So this is a great cleaning motivation video. So if you need a little bit of motivation, let's just jump into it. I am starting in this just absolute disaster of a kitchen. I swear when you start eating healthier and cooking more healthy stuff at home, you get a million dishes. Like, that's what they don't tell you, because everything that's unhealthy and that's like comfort food, it's all like a one pot meal. You're gonna get one pot and one cutting board dirty. But when you're trying to eat healthy, you basically dirty like every single thing in your house every time you cook. It is crazy. Like, no wonder everybody falls off the healthy eating train. It like creates just so many dishes. So I'm obviously going to start on this huge pile. I'm going to load down my dishwasher as full as it possibly can go. And then I'm just going to finish off hand washing the rest. All of my knives and stuff, I don't like to put them in the dishwasher because it will dull them faster. So it's better to just keep them nice and sharp and well maintained by hand washing them. And everything else, like the big cutting board, can't really fit in my dishwasher. It's too tall. So the stuff that absolutely won't fit, or it's just better for it to not go in, I'll hand wash, but everything else goes in the dishwasher. If you're watching and you've never seen any of my videos before, I feel like this is a great time to introduce myself while we are catching up on hand washing all of these dishes. My name is Lauren. I am a wife and stay-at-home mom. I live here in Wyoming with my husband, our 2 kids, and 2 dogs, and we absolutely love it here. We're not originally from here. We moved here for my husband's job a little over a year ago, and it has just been absolutely amazing. The weather gets very crazy this time of year, but we love it. We're really outdoorsy in all kinds of weather, and it's just been really, really great. I make cleaning videos on here. I post shorts a lot of the time too, just about mom life, cleaning, kids stuff. I also try to post like sensory bins, any fun vlogs of stuff that I get up to with my kids that maybe you could try too, anything like that. And I also try to post a lot on my Instagram and my TikTok, and I do have another YouTube channel as well, all about self-care and makeup, so you can follow me everywhere if you want. And yeah, anything else you want to know about me, if you have any questions, leave them down below and I can definitely answer those for you. After scrubbing out all of these dishes, I need to scrub down the sink as well. So I'm just going to use some Dawn Power Wash for that and just start scrubbing. And I also finally ran out of my Miss Meyer's Acorn Spice scent. I ran out of the dish soap and the multi-purpose cleaner. The Miss Meyers stuff really does last a super, super long time. So I am done with the Acorn Spice, unfortunately. So I am going to be replacing that with the Iowa Pine. I absolutely love this scent. It's like that classic clean pine scent. Can't go wrong with that. So I'm going to replace my dish soap and my multi-purpose cleaner after I finish off wiping down this sink. Of course, after I scrub it out, I'm going to wipe it down with half water, half vinegar, just to shine everything up, get any soap splatter off, and get everything nice and shiny and spotless on that stainless steel. Once the sink is taken care of, I really need to scrub down my stovetop as well. So I'm going to spray that puppy down with the Dawn Power Wash as well and give that a thorough scrubbing. I was also going to be replacing my sponge after this. Like, everything's just getting a total refresh at this point. It really needed it. So I'm going to scrub the sink down. And then, of course, once I am done getting everything off, I give it a good little wipe down and then a second wipe over again with that half water, half vinegar, just to make sure I get all the soap residue off and any remaining grease or gunk or anything that could be stuck on there. That will get it completely spotless. Last but certainly not least, in the kitchen, I need to finish off just clearing everything off of the counter, putting things away that need to get put away, like my Instant Pot container, or like the inside, the actual pot part. I'm obsessed with my Instant Pot right now. I use it like basically every single day. I go through phases with those. Like, sometimes I just can't get enough of my crock pot, and then 2 months later I can't get enough of my air fryer, and right now it's the Instant Pot. I absolutely love that thing. Even if I'm just making like some random hard-boiled eggs, the Instant Pot cut is coming out. I love it. So after putting everything where it actually belongs, now I'm just going to finish up this Acorn Spice. I just dumped out the last of it right there, and I'm just going to give the rest of my countertops a really good wipe down, and then I'm going to be moving on to the living room. That needs a good tidy up as well. Of course, I need to light a candle to get it smelling absolutely delicious in here. This is the Acorn Spice Miss Meyers candle, one of them that I got in my little haul, and now I am moving on to the living room. Just going to be putting things away. I had washed my throw blankets earlier in the day, so I'm putting them back in their little basket, putting away the kids' toys into these baskets, and then just kind of getting this random stuff, my kid's iPad and like random Magna-Tiles and stuff that needed to be put away. Getting that put away in the drawer, out of sight, out of mind for the kids. If you know, you got to put that stuff away before they wake up the next day, because as soon as they see it, they're going to be asking for it all day. So after I put those things away, I'm going to give the TV stand and the coffee tables a good wipe down with that Miss Meyers multi-surface cleaning spray, and then we're going to vacuum and quick mop in here. I cannot skip a day doing the floors in the winter. They just get so bad so fast with the dogs going in and out. It's always with wet feet coming in because there's always snow outside. So definitely need to vacuum and quick mop in here. And I kind of just move around the baskets and the coffee table as I go and try to get every single nook and cranny. I love my O-Cedar Quick Mop. I love that you can just refill it with any of the multi-surface cleaners that you like. I feel like I used to see more of the concentrated cleaners in the Miss Meyers stuff, but they get so hard to find, even in their normal like year-round scents. I feel like I don't see them anymore, and I'm just really bored of all of my current cleaners. So if you guys have a favorite scent or brand of like a good floor cleaner or something I could put in my O-Cedar Quick Mop, I would absolutely love your recommendations. I really want to try something new. So I'm just going to mop everything. As you can see, I kind of just like mop little sections and move the baskets, and like I said, try to get every little nook and cranny and like kind of set up the room as I go. So then once I'm done mopping, everything's actually where it's supposed to be, and it's just nice and fresh and clean in there. And then give the floor a couple minutes to dry. It takes no time at all because this mopper really doesn't leave like anything on the floor. And then I'm just going to quickly come back around and fix up the curtains and spray some room freshener. This is actually the Peppermint Miss Meyers room spray, and I love to spray down the curtains because it just holds on to the scent so much longer. Same with the couches. Spray the air, of course, but if you spray fabric, it actually just like lasts that little bit longer. And these air fresheners are so good. I spray this when I clean at night, and when I wake up in the morning, I can still smell them. They are so good, and they last so long. I also did the floor in the kitchen off camera. Of course, I forgot to move the camera and show me doing that, but I did the floor in the living room, dining room, and kitchen all at the same time. I was just trying to get as much done as possible while I still had some energy, so I just totally forgot to move my camera. So now we are in the playroom. Like I said, I got a lot done tonight, and not all of my nighttime clean with me's, I just don't have the energy at the end of the day, but some days I do, and I try to take full advantage and just speed clean as fast as I can before my battery runs out, if you know what I mean. So we are in the playroom. I'm just going to be picking up all the toys, and anything that's like really light and easy to move, I will pick it up so that I can vacuum around it. Just getting up all the little food. You know, when you get a kitchen for your kids, you end up cleaning 2 kitchens. Got to pick up all of those fake foods, and then pick up all these blocks. My kids are obsessed with these blocks right now. Like any of the wooden blocks that we have, actually, they just are super into them. So I'm going to pick that all up, and then kind of fix up the pillows and blankets and things on the couch. And then I really needed to vacuum. I was kind of showing you earlier. I made some sensory bins for my kids, and they do absolutely love them, but they do get a little bit messy. Even if they're trying to be careful and they're playing with them really calm, it still can get kind of messy. That is why I chose rice as my filler, because it, in my opinion, is like the easiest thing to clean up, aside from like any other fillers that I've seen for sensory bin videos. I've seen people use kinetic sand and baking soda and all sorts of stuff, and that just seems so hard to pick up. So I just dye the rice with food coloring if I want it to be like really fun and cute. And then if it gets spilled, it vacuums right up. So right now I'm going over that section. I do go over it like extra time, but that's all it takes. I'm just kind of vacuuming up all the rice right here, going nice and slow, and then I kind of go around the rest of the room and do my normal vacuum and just go over that section a second time while I'm doing my normal vacuum, and boom, all the rice is vacuumed up, taken care of, not a problem. I did post this sensory bin video already, and I have another really fun one coming soon for Valentine's Day. So if you guys make sensory bins for your kids, or you want to start and you want to know how to get started, go give that video some love. I will like link it in the cards here and link it down below. And of course, it's always, you know, on my channel. I love the sensory bins. This is the first time I had ever done them, and I was honestly really surprised that my kids liked them as much as they do. They actually ask for them, which is a really good sign. It's like the ultimate success as a parent when your kids actually want to play with this cool crafty stuff that you make, and like you're going out on a limb and they actually love it. What a good feeling. So yeah, if you guys want to check out that video and give it some love, check out my channel. So after getting everything vacuumed, of course, moving the things that are easy to move, like the table and chairs and the little cart that they have. I'm just going to finish up vacuuming the room and then of course spray this baby down with some air freshener as well. I have the orange and clove in this section of the house of the Miss Myers spray, and it smells amazing, and I'm definitely going to have to get this one again because it is my husband's favorite. Of course, he likes all the other scents too, but this one, every time I clean with the orange and clove or I spray this room spray, he always says something like, oh my gosh, it smells so, so good. I love it. So I definitely recommend orange and clove, and I will be getting that again when I do another Miss Myers haul when they come out with their winter stuff. So that is everything I got done tonight for this nighttime clean with me. If you guys are still cleaning and you want some more motivation and some more cleaning company, I have an entire playlist right here on the screen and always linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, anything. It means the absolute world to me, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.